What is the difference between Internet, intranet, extranet and Ethernet?
Internet is a global system of interconnected computer networks that use the standard Internet Protocol suite, TCP/IP, to serve several billion users worldwide. It is a network of networks that consists of millions of private, public, academic, business, and government networks, of local to global scope, that are linked by a broad array of electronic, wireless and optical networking technologies. Ethernet is the most widely installed local area network, LAN, technology. Specified in a standard, IEEE 802.3, Ethernet was originally developed by Xerox from an earlier specification called Alohanet, for the Palo Alto Research Center Aloha network, and then developed further by Xerox, DEC, and Intel. An Ethernet LAN typically uses coaxial cable or special grades of twisted pairs wires. Ethernet is also used in wireless LANs. Intranet. An intranet is a computer network that uses Internet Protocol technology to share information, operational systems, or computing services within an organization. This term is used in contrast to Internet, a network between organizations, and instead refers to a network within an organization. Sometimes, the term refers only to the organization's internal website, but may be a more extensive part of the organization's information technology infrastructure, and may be composed of multiple local area networks. Extranet. An extranet is a private network that uses Internet technology and the public telecommunication system to securely share part of a business's information or operations with suppliers, vendors, partners, customers, or other businesses. An extranet can be viewed as part of a company's intranet that is extended to users outside the company. You can subscribe to channels you like to see more content from those channels. You can find a subscribe button under any YouTube video or on a channel's page. Once you subscribe to channel, any new videos it publishes will show up in your subscriptions feed.